Assalamualaikum everyone. Hello lovelies. Welcome to my channel and this is me Shuma. Today in this video I am sharing with you my summer skincare routine day and night, which is for oily and sensitive skin. And if you have acne prone skin, then you can also follow this routine. I will say what you can do and what you cannot do for acne prone skin. So first I'm going to show you my morning skincare routine. First, in the morning on empty stomach, I take apple cider vinegar drinks. The reason I'm talking about this apple cider vinegar drinks because it not only boosts your metabolism, help you to lose weight, but it also clean your skin. At the moment I start taking apple cider vinegar, I feel that my skin glowing and it also reduces my skin rashes. After taking apple cider vinegar, I brush my teeth. If you are interested to know how to make this apple cider vinegar and what apple cider vinegar I use, then there is another skincare video where I show all these things. I will give the link of that video on the first comment of this video, and also you can see this video right now by clicking the eyeball right hand corner now showing on the screen. Okay, back to my today's video. So first I'm going to wash my face with acne face wash. We can see there is two different kind of acne face wash. If you have acne prone and rashes on your skin, then use the left one. It's a medicated face wash and it's work very good on acne prone skin. And the right one is also from acne face wash and it's a vitamin cleanser. Also prevent your skin from acne, give you brightness and help to reduce your dark spots. I have no pimples on my skin right now, so I'm using this. First wet your face with water and then use the face wash. Gently massage your whole face with this face wash. You can use any kind of face wash. After massaging like 1 minute, then I will clean my face with normal water. Now I'm washing my face wash with normal water and then I'm going to pat dry my face with a soft towel. After cleaning your face with face wash, the next product I'm going to use is a toner. Here I'm using Lotus toner, but if you have pimple prone skin, rashes on your skin, then use acne toner. After using toner, wait for few seconds so that it goes dry. If you don't like to use toner, then you can use ice. After cleansing toning, now we have to use moisturizer, but here I am using aloe vera gel as a moisturizer. If you want to use moisturizer on your skin, then use oil-free moisturizer. Neutrogena have oil-free moisturizer according to your skin type, and also Smile company, they have also oil-free moisturizer. And if you have pimple prone skin, then use this aloe vera gel. It's very good for pimple prone skin. You can search on YouTube, there is lots of video on it. Moving on to the third step, the next product I'm going to use here is a sunblock. Yes, you can see there is 3 sunblock in my hand, and for me I like the most ACNE sunblock. It's a medicated sunscreen and it's very good for oily and sensitive skin. For today's video I'm going to use Lotus sunblock. It have SPF 50 and this sunblock is for normal to oily skin. It's in a gel form. There is another sunblock from Lotus. It's kind of BB cream type. I'm showing you how it's look, but it not good for acne prone skin. Even I use it for 1 week. After that I saw that I got rashes for this sunblock. So I'm going to use this sunblock which is in gel form. I apply sunblock on my skin even I am not going outside. Sunblock not only prevent your skin from sun, it also prevent your skin from the ray of your light. Nowadays we all stay on light 24 hours, like 24 hours, and it also prevent your skin from the ray of fire. A ray of fire also harm your skin the same way when you stay on the sun. So always put sunblock when you are going to cook. After applying sunblock or sunscreen, don't go outside immediately. Wait for 10 to 15 minutes. After applying sunblock on your skin, it takes little time to start working. And if you want, you can use some talcum powder on your face after 10 to 15 minutes. It will give your skin more mattifying look. After applying sunblock, I wait for 10 to 15 minutes, and in that time I change my dress, and now I just applying some talcum powder on my face. It's a Pond's Sandalwood talcum powder. And I also apply some lip balm on my lips, but it's totally optional. So that's it. This is the end of my morning skincare routine. Now I'm going to show you my night skincare routine. So let's start. In night skincare routine, first you have to remove your makeup if you did it. There is a video on my channel how you can remove your makeup easily and naturally. I will give the link of that video in my description box and also the first comment of this video. Please check it out. I don't wear makeup or foundation in daily basis, just in special occasion. So first I'm gonna clean my face with a cleanser. I'm using pharmacy cleansing milk. You can use any kind of cleansing milk which is good for your skin. I'm taking a small amount of cleanser on my hand and then gently I'm massaging it. Massage it like 1 minute, and then I will wash it off with normal water. When you use cleanser milk, it appears oiliness on your skin. To remove this oiliness, now I'm going to use rice soap. If you don't have rice soap, then you can use any kind of face wash according to your skin type. Rice soap help you to reduce spores from your skin. It also help you to reduce sun tanning, and it make your skin softer. My brother bought it for me from Thailand. Gently apply rice soap on your face and then massage it like 10 to 15 seconds, not more than that, otherwise it can cause burning sensation on your skin. And wash it off with normal water. The next product I am using is facial scrub. It's tea tree facial scrub. Use facial scrub 1 or 2 days in a week. You don't need to use it every day. Always use scrub on wet face. Gently massage your face with facial scrub and massage little bit more those areas where you have blackhead whitehead problem, like nose area. Scrub help you to reduce blackhead whitehead, and when you are massaging with scrub, don't use it around your eyes area. Never use scrub around this eyes area. And the people who have acne prone skin, then they should avoid scrubbing their face. If you have 1 or 2 pimples on your face, then avoid those areas. Don't use scrub on those areas. I wash my face with normal water and now I am pat drying my face. After scrubbing, now I am going to use toner. It's Lotus toner. If you don't have toner, then you can use ice too. Ice is also good for oily and acne prone skin. If you have acne prone skin, then use acne toner, that will be good for your skin. Next, I'm going to use a face mask. It's Photo Perfect Face Mask Tired Skin Detox. It's a ready mask. You can use this kind of mask, or you can use loose powder mask like this one. It's a Chandan loose powder mask, but it have also multani mitti on it, and multani mitti is very good for acne prone skin. I bought it from Aarong. Mix it with normal water, or you can use rose water, and then apply it on your skin for 20 to 15 minutes. When you are applying face masks, any kind of face masks, always avoid the eye area. Never apply your face masks around the eye area. My under eyes are looking a little bit darker because I had eye sty on my eyes more than one time. But very soon I will get rid of this dark circle. My face pack application is done, and now I will wait for 15 to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you can see that my face pack is almost dry. It's not necessary to dry your face pack totally. Just watch your time. Now with water in my hand, I am wetting my face pack. It will help me to remove this face pack easily. After that, I am gently massaging my face with water, and you can see that my face pack is starting coming out. Now I'm going to wash it with normal water and then pat dry my face. After that, as a moisturizer, I'm using aloe vera gel. It's a 99% aloe vera gel, and if you have pimple prone skin, then use Nature Republic aloe vera gel. Or you can use any kind of moisturizer which have no oil in it, like Neutrogena oil free moisturizer, Smile oil free moisturizer. You can use those moisturizer. Apply aloe vera gel all over your face and then gently massage it. Also apply it on your eye area. After applying aloe vera gel or oil-free moisturizer, massage your face with it like 1 minute, and after that you have to wait for 1 minute to apply the next product on your face. After applying oil-free moisturizer or aloe vera gel, then you have to apply essence. Here I am using Wonder Essence. It comes with a beautiful dropper. I am taking 5 or 6 drops of essence, and then I'm applying it all over my face. You can apply like I'm applying directly from the bottle, or you can apply it, took the essence on your hand and then apply it on your face. After applying essence, gently massage your face like 10 to 15 seconds, and then wait for 1 minute to apply the next product. After 1 minute, the next product I'm going to use, that is a serum. I'm using Healthy Shop Brightening Face Serum. This serum is very good and it smells so nice, and it's a medicated face serum. That's why though it have brightening effect on it, but it will not cause pimple or acne rashes on your skin, because most of the time the people who have sensitive skin, if they use brightening cream, snow, like the Fan Lovely, Pond's White Beauty, Garnier White Beauty, it causes pimple rashes on your skin. Like my skin, if I use this brightening cream, I got rashes, pimple on my skin. but this essence will. After applying this serum all over your face, again you have to massage your face like 10 to 15 seconds and then wait for 1 minute to apply the next product on your face. In this 1 minute, I am applying Body Shop Lip Balm Born Lippy in the flavor Strawberry. And before going to sleep, I apply FACUAL Pomegranate Sleeping Mask. Look how beautiful it looks. It's in a gel form and it moisturizer your skin, make your skin soft, and it also clean. It also clean the dark spots. So before going to sleep, I apply it all over my face and then I gently massage it like 1 minute so that your skin can absorb this product properly. After applying this moisturizer, aloe vera gel, sleeping mask, essence, then serum, you have to massage your face and then wait for 1 minute before applying the second product on your skin. The next product I'm going to use is for my eye area. It's from Snail. It's a eye cream. It have essence and multi-effect extract. After applying it on my eye area, now I am going to gently massage it with my index finger. With my index finger, now I am massaging my eye area. This Snail Essence Eye Cream not only reduce your dark circle, but it also remove pooch, fade your wrinkle, and it have anti-cellulite. That's it. This is the end of my night skincare routine, and now I'm going to sleep. This is the end of my today's video. If this video is helpful to you, then please give a like and share this video with your friends and family. You can also show some love by subscribe my channel if you don't subscribe yet. So see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye. Allah Hafiz. Love you all.